Hi friends, welcome to the second session. First we understand what is company code. Today we'll try to understand different types of document controls. So basically I am trying to address different interview questions to crack your FSCO interview. I am just giving you the overview. So it is very crucial. I am just explaining the things in application manner. So basically the end product, the end result in SAP FICO, let's say you are a FICO consultant and you are working, the end product that you are going to get it in your SAP is called accounting document. At the period end you are going to post accounting document. Okay, so here I have taken one accounting document. Now my quick question is how you are going to configure this accounting document in SAP. So imagine yourself you are a SAP FICO consultant and you have a company. The company wanted to implement the SAP and they wanted to have the accounting document something like this. So here you have the customer name. Let's say this is an accounting document. Here you have the customer name and here you have the document number, that is nothing but your bill number and your registration date and what is the customer age and gender and the client name and what are all the different. So here if you see they have some diagnostics, it's a diagnostics bill, and here you can see some particular item, what are all the service they have rendered and what is the amount involved in this. This is net amount. Here you are getting some information through which method they have made the payment and which date they made the payment. All these things you are getting here. Okay, now your task is to configure this particular thing in SAP. How you are going to do that? So if you wanted to configure this accounting document in your SAP system, you are supposed to understand what are all the different parameters that is controlling this document. There are certain couple of parameters which is controlling this particular thing, that we will call them as a variant. We will call them as a variant. Variant is nothing but set of controlling parameters. In SAP you might have heard different variants, like first and foremost thing variant that you are going to hear is that fiscal year variant. Second variant that you are going to hear is posting period variant. Okay, the third variant is field status variant, and the another one variant is called as the chart of account variant. Okay, now each of these variant is controlling the different attributes in this accounting document. If you see here you have a billing document. On this billing document here you can see the date. Basically this date contains two things. One is fiscal year, another one is posting period. So in short, this date will be controlled by two variants. One is called fiscal year variant, another one is called posting period variant. Right. Now another thing is called, with this we understand the fiscal year variant and posting period variant. Now what is field status variant? Let's say here the customer wanted to have its business area. So let's say this particular company had two different units and it wanted to update here this particular business area. How you are going to add or delete any of the field in this accounting document? So that will be controlled by your field status variant. That will be controlled by your field status variant. Now if you see here, they have something like CT scan. When you are posting an accounting document, indirectly you are posting to a particular general ledger account. So you need a general ledger accounts. That will be controlled by your chart of accounts. That will be controlled by your chart of accounts. So here field status variant, posting period variant, fiscal year variant, chart of account variant comes into picture. Now these are all the different variants that you need to understand. This will be acting as a document controls, and here there are two other document controls. We will call them as a document number. If you see here, you have a bill number. How this number will be generated? So this will be controlled by your document number ranges. And one more thing that we have, so that is called a document type. If you see here, you have a customer name. How can you say whether it is a customer document or a vendor document? Usually the document type is not available in this, but usually what we will have is that here we will have a customer document or a vendor document. That is a differentiation that we can maintain. That will be called as a document type. That will be called as a document type. So these are all the different document controls that you need to understand. Each of these variant we will going to understand in the further sessions. So in the next session we'll try to address each of these variants. So now you have a clear understanding of how an accounting document will be controlled in the SAP. Different variants is going to control the accounting documents. Variant is nothing but a set of controlling parameters. Basically, these are all the different variants and the controlling parameters that we have in SAP. Thanks for watching.